Welcome. You're about to take flight with Center Focus Aerial Imaging. Join us as we take a short flight around the city of Indianapolis, Indiana.
Our first look is at the beautiful Lucas Oil Stadium, home of the Indianapolis Colts. The stadium holds over 70,000 fans and was the host of the 2012 Super Bowl, where the New York Giants defeated the New England Patriots 21-17.
Located on Monument Circle, the Indiana State Soldier and Sailors Monument is a 284-foot statue built in 1902, just a mere 15 feet shorter than the Statue of Liberty. The basement houses the Civil War Museum. You can view the city from the observatory by way of stairs, or for $1, you can ride the elevator.
Wow, what a beautiful building, the JW Marriott. It stands 376 feet tall. That's 34 floors with over 1,000 guest rooms, making it the 7th tallest building in Indianapolis. If you like baseball, check out the Legends Park.
Winding through the condos, apartments, and businesses is the Indianapolis Canal Walk. The 3-mile canal is a popular place to visit for fitness fanatics, sightseers, and scenic strollers, with a multitude of restaurants to satisfy any appetite. Bicycles, paddle boats, gondolas, and even segways can be rented to fulfill your leisure.
The skyline in downtown Indy is simply wonderful. Its architect with the clouds behind them shows just how beautiful it is here. We are truly humbled to be able to fly and admire all the beauty around us.
The last stop of our tour is 6 miles west of downtown Indianapolis. Yes, you guessed it, the Indianapolis Motor Speedway, home of the Indianapolis 500 and the Brickyard 400. With a seating capacity of 400,000, it is the world's largest sporting facility and sure to accommodate every race fan. Centered in the infield is the Brickyard Crossing golf courses 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th holes, making this the only racetrack in the world with a golf course in the center. As we cross the finish line, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Also, click the bell to be notified of future videos. Thank you for watching.